Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you this beautiful memory dex card, and it's inspired by bambidearr's tutorial. So I'll put a link down below to her tutorial, and she created this beautiful bag on top of the memory dex card. And she also put in some journals, as I did as well. And this item is part of a Valentine swap that I'm in with Brigitta. So this will be coming up to you, Brigitta, and I cannot wait to see what your thoughts are, or hear to what your thoughts are about my projects. So let me start by sharing you the front. The front is layered up with different kinds of materials. This beautiful circle doily here is a sort of a frame that was gifted to me by my friend Patricia, and she also crochets these items herself. On top of that are beautiful resin flowers. And the resin flower just frames a beautiful paper doll from the Tim Holtz collection. And the paper doll is, of course, I had to color in a little bit and use some distressing on that as well. So that's what I did. I did color it with my alcohol marker, and on top of that is a beautiful glaze that you see that's embossing powder. And yeah, I just love how that came out as well. Hope you can see her well. And then for this cluster I used a beautiful part of a chipboard piece from the collection Simple Stories, My Valentine. And I did use just some pops of balls, some silver colored balls, as you can see a little bit here on the side, to pop it up. And I did use a beautiful mesh here, and on the sides a piece of a lace trim that was gifted to me by my friend Cindy. Thank you so much for that, Cindy. And then some flat bead pearls on the sides there. This cluster is made with a paper flower, a resin flower. This resin flower was gifted to me by Brittany. Thank you so much for that. And again, a beautiful cluster with that lace. These are all like flower sequences, topped up with beautiful pieces of flat back pearls. And yeah, it just creates a beautiful cluster together with all these beautiful items. So I just love how it came out, and I see that I still have to check it for glue strings and all those kinds of things. So I was so anxious to post this video, but I will check it for glue strings and leave it beautiful and clean for her to receive as she receives it. And the back is like so. As I said, it's a bag. And this bag is inspired by a tutorial by bambidearr. So yeah, I just stitched the handle here and then adhered this beautiful two-color how are these brads in the middle of the handle itself. So and as I take the journals out, this is the first cover, and this is the second cover. So I'm very pleased with the way it turned out, and the way the yeah, all the projects came together. As I said, we agreed on to using the Simple Stories collection and this My Sweet Valentine. I did copy a few of those papers or embellishments to use in my project, because I just love the glaze of this beautiful photo paper, and it goes so well with the paper dolls from Tim Holtz. So that's how I used the items in my project. So here's a banner used from a trim, and here on the bottom is a beautiful piece of the sticker, which I did some glossy accents on. I still have to practice a lot, because I still have some bubbles in my my project. And I see I did cut out the photo that was behind this sticker, and I popped in a paper doll. The bag is like so. A sticker again from the collection, and let me open her up and flip through the pages. So I did have a lot of fun. I did use Brigitta's journals that she created, as well as some inspiration. So yeah, I'm very lucky to have received hers first, so I can really be inspired by all of her items. These are 2 journaling cards that I created as well. These have backings, and this paper is a digital collection. I'll put a link down below to the correct name and the correct seller of that. And this is also a beautiful card. I just love the journaling cards inside. A sticker here from the collection, from the Simple Stories. And this is a bag that I created using a printout on vellum, embossed it as well. And this was also part of one of my kits that I created. And I can take this one out, and it has a gorgeous tag, super cute. And then we'll go to this page, which has a beautiful sticker, postage sticker from the from the My Valentine collection, a centerpiece, and this is a fabric piece that I created into a pocket, and the pocket has 2 tags as well, like so. And I just love using these kinds of elements into a My Sweet Valentine collection. You can see it goes very well together because it has a beautiful vintage vibe. So that's for that. And then we'll go to the other side of the embossed pocket, the vellum pocket. Again, another tag. This one is plain on the back. And then we'll go to the last pages. I just love these kinds of prints. And then some journaling cards here, a tag. This is the back, and this is also plain on the back. I really enjoyed creating these journals as well, because yeah, they have so much inspiration also for yourself to look them through and to see the pages. I just love that. So this is the last journal that I created. I did distress the edges. I put on some silver on metallic marker on the sides, and this is from the photo booth from Tim Holtz. Yeah, just these pictures are so super cute, and they're perfect with this this collection. And as you can see, I mixed and matched with different kinds of papers to put on, yeah, to give it more of my style actually to the collection. And the base is again a paper from the paper line, Simple Stories, and a beautiful, this is I believe from the My Porch Prints, my grandma's attic. So I'll put a link down below to that as well. Beautiful digital here, a sticker, a chipboard sticker, some washi, and then this beautiful lace again, the lace trim. Then as I open her up, I created a pocket out of a lined journaling card. As you can see, as I take them all out, and all these individual pieces are from the My Porch Prints collection. So these are all printouts from her digital kit, as well as this, and the back is from another printout from another digital kit. As you can see, these are all pockets. So I created a tuck spot out of a lined paper, like so. And lined it with some beautiful laces. Yeah, it's as in these journals you have to keep it pretty flat, so it was a challenge for me to use some dimension but still flat enough to not make the journals too bulky. Some tabs here which are also part of the My Porch Prints collection. This is Simple Stories. I just added this cute heart here, and then the inside vintage piece of paper, pattern paper of a, yeah, just a dress. I believe this is a dress that you can make. This is in German, so I had yeah, quite a few of those pages in my stash, so I used that as well. Beautiful My Grandma's Attic piece here on top of the Simple Stories collection. And then again you can see the beautiful layering of the vintage and new papers. I distressed this paper as well, lined paper. I used a beautiful piece of the collection again. And yeah, I just love it. And I did stitch it. I didn't do it with the hand. I did stitch it because I think this is also a great way to do it as well. And yeah, of course, if you want to make it more sturdy, you can use a piece of fabric in the middle of the center pieces, and that also will give it more of a distinctive look as well. So this is a sticker again from the Simple Stories. Beautiful vintage piece here. And then this part I left it blank with a beautiful tab again from the My Porch Prints collection. And these are the two pages, the last pages. So this is my yeah, it's actually the first item that I have showed you from what we agreed on. We agreed to create 3 items, a memory dex card, but a dimensional one. So this is the first one, a journal cubby, and the third one is a, let me see if I have it around. I will show that to you in another video. And the third item is a stack suitcase. So I'll show that also in a separate video. So yeah, this is the item that she will receive, and I hope she will love everything that I sent to her. And stay tuned for her video as well. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.